Would you take a look at this? We have an original sealed military box. Just in front of this position, we have a pistol look-alike thing. Oh, it is a revolver. Strange type, I've never seen something like this before. I will rebury it as always, but it's an interesting piece. If you have any idea what this might be, let me know. Yes, finally. As the sun is going down, I managed to find my first decent German military find of the day. So I was swinging my coil along this path, and the first interesting thing to come up was this handle to a German razor. And as I was following this path, I had another great signal, but I didn't film it. This is a dog tag. Flakersatzabteilung. Dritte Flakersatzabteilung 25. So this is a dog tag from the German Luftwaffe. Very close to the dog tag, another handle to a razor. And next to this second handle, beautiful signal, 89. There is something. Ah, okay. It is the second part of the razor where the blade would fit in. Very close to the second razor, we have the back of a badge. I wonder where the badge is. There is another signal. It's only a tiny signal. I don't think it will be a badge. What? It is a badge. It is a badge from the German DLV, Deutscher Luftsportverein. It is the predecessor organization of the German Luftwaffe. Small container, and there definitely is a design on it. And a silver coin right next to this small container. This will be an older coin from the 1700s maybe. There's a lot of writing on it. Some more interesting finds. A lot of German wartime coins and a 4-hole button. And this rather strange thing here, which is part of a ribbon and belongs to a Soviet World War II award. More and more coins keep coming, next to a beautiful silver brooch. Strident 92. And first of all, I didn't recognize what it is. We have a small silver ring here. This might be a monogram. That's the hole where I just dug out the ring. And next to it, I have a pretty similar sounding target. 93. Very stable signal. I think this might be something made out of silver as well. It's another ring. Unbelievable. According to the style of these rings, they most likely date back to the mid-1700s. Beautiful pieces that most likely were looted by some Soviet soldiers in 1945. Haven't touched it yet, but a third silver ring just popped out of the ground. It is a coin. No, it is a brooch. That was unexpected. And in stark contrast to the just shown rings, this brooch is a bit more modern, 1920s to 1940s. All of the rings and the jewelry were just laying here on this path. How interesting is that? Today is a pretty successful day. Another high strident signal and another piece of silver. This seems to be a medal of some sort. Yeah, there I can already read some writing on it. This is an anniversary shootings club medal, and it is made out of solid silver again. This is a military box with a leather handle. So now it gets even more exciting as the box becomes more and more visible. As you can see, there are some draw latches. Here is one, and down there. And both of them are still in a sealed position, but it barely even moves. So I dug a bit deeper down to the side of it, and now I can reach underneath. This thing is heavy. And now we're getting there. Wow, I mean, I have never seen something like this before. I can't get it out with one hand. Oh, man, this thing is huge. The best about it, it is still sealed. There you can see the draw latches. Let's try and open them. Man, that opens quite easily. Number 1 and number 2. I think it might be a military radio. Quite some sand in there as well. But is it really World War II related or is it a more modern thing? There we get the answer. So this is definitely a Soviet piece of equipment. It was quite exciting to dig it out and to open it.
Kiefern und Sand, wo Erinnerung entstand.